Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it is, just get the date up here folks, 2 seconds. It is Thursday 20th April. Just a quick cottage garden catch up, see what I've been weeding and getting it ready for spring and summer. Just weed it all down the bottom there. If you come down here, we have down all the way on the right hand side there, that's going to get covered with some fabric over the next couple of weeks and some bark chippings. Just got some holes for the flowers to come through, stop all the weeds. This fuchsia here, this should be coming back to life soon. Should be getting some nice tips on that soon, shortly. We come down here, I've done all the way to the bottom there where the bench is. Shut the gate folks. So yeah, down here, first bit of border that I've done. These hollyhocks, absolutely great. I can't recommend these enough. Once you get them, they self-seed everywhere. So I like to keep a few, see how they get on, see if it's the right colour for the garden. Any I don't like, just dig them up, compost them. The one there. Here we have my perennial geranium, lovely pink colour. Some tree lilies there. A bit further down, we have my daylily here. It's that lovely, like purpley mauve colour, absolutely gorgeous. This is my hosta, one of my hostas. Got that from a pound shop about 10 years ago. I've got 3 or 4 big clumps of that now. In front of that we have the beautiful lupin that's self-seeded. Come down here, when you get down on hands and knees, these primulas have got such a beautiful scent, it's absolutely stunning. And then we have a beautiful lupin in front of that, which should start getting some flower heads on this soon. We'll send them down from the bottom there, that you can see in there. And then we have some of the daylily here. I think this is Rio Gold or something like that. And it's a beautiful yellow colour. Come down, as you can see here, the lawn's been, I've got it 2 cuts so far. I'll rake it before I cut it next time. Allow some air in there, allow it to breathe. Here we have first the foxgloves. It's going to have a nice flower on it, it's going to look lovely. Little one there. Some more primulas. Come round here, we have my beautiful pink to my white carnation. Little corn pinks, nickname from the UK. Nice primulas again. Another one of these perennial geraniums. Another one, beautiful pink one. And some Japanese anemones at the back there. I don't know if you can see those. They've got lovely flowers on, probably 2.5, 3 foot tall, and absolutely gorgeous. The daffodils just getting ready to go over, but I had a really good show of those. As soon as the flowers drop, I cut the heads off, allow all the energy to go back into the bulbs. With a little aquilegia there that's self-seeded. This is one of my favourite peonies, scented, pinkish white. It's absolutely out of this world, this one. The scent on it is absolutely beautiful. Come down, some more lilies here. And then we have another bunch of hostas there, which I love for the ground cover, really nice. And just in front of that we have beautiful forget-me-not there. I don't know if you can just see that there. Beautiful colours. Come further down, but a few more forget-me-nots. Then we have delphinium here. This one has got a beautiful pinkish bluish flower on, absolutely mint. Some more primulas, some more forget-me-nots, sorry. The delicate blue flowers are absolutely amazing. Electric blue, gorgeous. Come down here, we have 2 more hollyhocks there that are self-seeded. Gone over this with the rake and the hoe. I don't like to dig it over, I like to leave things as they are. By not digging over, I'm chopping heads off the weeds. It's a bit harder, keep on top of things, but it allows the soil to build up bacteria, the good bugs in there, all the nutrients. You're not constantly digging it over and disturbing everything. Here we have another peony, which is great. That's the same as the one we just seen. And then at the back there, an old-fashioned variety. That's a beautiful, vibrant, velvet colour, absolutely mint. I have here, I keep trying to put this back in, just got to get rid of that. That's what I've raked off today. get this. This keeps falling down. Just trying to get it to stay in here if I can. Just get behind everything. Sorry about this, folks. Just want to stay in here. That should do it now. That's my clematis. Hopefully it'll get bound up here now and hang on to that. Here we have the board I've just finished today, down to the bottom. This is a beautiful big hollyhock that's self-seeded. That should be great. There's another 1, 2 there. And if you see the rust here on the top, this is why it's called rust. There's fungal infection, yeah. If you see that underneath, just there. Here we have an oriental poppy that I've grown from seed. This one's called Diane Joyce. Just going to get its flower heads there. If you cut these back after flowering, you should get a second lot of flowers off them, which is absolutely stunning. We have just at the back here, bluebells just starting to come out, which is great. Come down here, a big wave of forget-me-nots. Such a nice touch of colour for this time of year. And then we come down here. This is the bit that I'm going to get done tomorrow. As you can see, all this needs edging, digging up, weeding. But another beautiful peony. As soon as they start producing a little bit of sap, you'll get the ants absolutely go mad for it. And the ants aren't bad things on these. Here we have a delphinium, grown from seed a few years ago. One here, I think this is a white one. One there, I think both of them are white, I'm not quite sure. Here we have beautiful lupin, beautiful flower heads on. Then just here, Dicentra, bleeding heart, which is absolutely amazing. Then we come down here, beautiful dandelion flowers, first pick they're coming up. And then we have Judge Iris. These amazing flowers. I'm going to dig a section up around this delphinium. Come down here, see all the weeds here, but this primula, I love the eyes of those, absolutely amazing. And then another lupin here, producing some nice thick stems on that. Then we come down here and we have this a penstemon. This has been in here, this is the second year I think, so I'll weed around that. I always leave them tall so in case you get any frost damage, because it gives them a good chance of coming back then. This has got beautiful red with little white flakes in. It looks absolutely amazing. And we come down here, these pots are going to get planted up this week. We have some nice sweet peas growing up there with some petunias, look absolutely stunning. And we come down here, we have my next delphinium. This is a nice big boy, beautiful flowers on that. These are beautiful blue flowers. Campanula, I always forget the name of that, but I absolutely love those. And we come here, these are my beautiful agapanthus. These have been left out, but these will come back nicely now. So the new green growth in the centre. Give all those a good weed. And then these have been grown these from seed, so I'll put these up next couple of weeks. And just sitting here on my little bench, absolutely love it. Love looking through the hedge. But yeah, so getting on with things now. Things are starting to look well. So I'll post a catch-up video tomorrow in the greenhouse, because I've got a lot of things that I'm going to need to start planted out over the next week or so. So we'll get on with that. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse or in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe and please like. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.